Hello learners, welcome to another class of English Destination course on YouTube. You know what we are doing, the people who have been watching and practicing with the videos, you perfectly know what is happening. But for the new viewers, I'm going to just reiterate what I'm doing in these videos. So, number one, these videos are not only for sitting and watching. You have to speak with me, you have to take down notes if necessary, and you have to do the assignments after the video. So it is a proper class if you are taking it seriously. And of course, with a serious class, learning comes, and with learning, improvement comes. So what are we going to do in these classes? Today's class, again, I'm going to touch one of the tenses and no rules around the grammar, no describing and explaining the tense, no sentence formation guidance, nothing at all. Why? Because all that doesn't work. You cannot learn about tenses, you cannot understand the rules and start speaking. It's a myth. You don't need to know the rules to start speaking correctly. You need to start speaking to speak correctly. Okay? So you have to speak with me. How we are going to do that? I'm going to give you some sentences in one particular form of tense. You have to repeat every sentence right after me. I will speak a sentence and then you have to pause the video and repeat. I will speak the next sentence. You have to pause the video and repeat. Repeat it exactly the way I'm saying. After we finish the 20 sentences that I'm going to bring up, you have to pause the video and repeat all the 20 in one flow. After that, the home assignment will come. I'll tell you that towards the end of the video. Let's start with the practice first. So today we are going to take up past continuous tense. Okay, past continuous tense, something which was in the past with the action in progress. Of course, ing is used in the verb for this. No need to learn the rules, just make lots of sentences. Let's start. I was studying when you called. Pause, repeat. She was reading a novel. Pause, repeat. They were playing outside. Pause, repeat. He was eating breakfast at 7 a.m. Pause, repeat. We were waiting for the bus. Pause, repeat. I was listening to music. Pause, repeat. She was drawing a picture. Pause, repeat. They were laughing at the joke. Pause, repeat. He was running in the park. Pause, repeat. They were watching TV. Pause, repeat. I was doing my homework. Pause, repeat. She was talking to her teacher. Pause, repeat. They were building a sand castle. Pause, repeat. He was fixing his bike. Pause, repeat. They were walking home together. Pause, repeat. I was listening to the new song. Pause, repeat. She was cleaning her desk. Pause, repeat. They were practicing for the test. Pause, repeat. He was sleeping when it rained. Pause, repeat. We were discussing the project. Pause, repeat. Okay? I hope you have repeated every sentence after me the way I did, the way I said. The sentences were simple. It was just was and were with a verb, whatever verb you're describing the situation with. Okay? Now, what you have to do, you have to pause the screen when I put all the 20 sentences on the screen. You will pause the screen and repeat all these sentences together. If required, more than once. Make it 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. Why am I repeating the same thing again and again? Don't worry about that. All the people who start learning English, they repeat A, B, C, D. When they are kids, they have to go on with A, B, C, D. They have to repeat nursery rhymes again and again. They eventually learn how to speak in English. So don't bother that I am going on doing a simple exercise repetitive. You have to be repetitive because this is your initial stage. Slowly we will advance your practice. So Pause the screen when the 20 sentences come on your screen and repeat all the 20 sentences one after the other, one time, three times, five times, totally up. Now we have the 20 sentences on the screen for you. Please pause and repeat all of them. And now we come to the home assignment. So these were 20 sentences, not enough. You have to make at least 30 sentences of the same kind, of the past continuous tense. Make 30 of your own sentences and read them aloud. Don't put them in the copy and leave them. You don't even need a notebook for it. I hope you have your own practice group on WhatsApp. There should be a group on which only you are there, and you keep on putting your practice material on it. That way you'll not have to look for book and copy whenever you are trying to practice. You are thinking of something in the office, you sit and practice for 5 minutes. You are at work, you are at home, you are outside, you are in a restaurant, you just ordered something, it's coming late. You open your group and you practice. So have that group for yourself. Now, coming to this assignment, so you have to make 30 sentences of the same kind. Was or were, and any verb with ing. I was drinking, I was sleeping, she was running, he was writing, anything. Okay? And you will make these sentences, read them aloud, and then keep repeating them till you find it necessary, and that will be your home assignment, and this will conclude your practice of today. So I don't want you to only watch videos. I don't want you to do the exercise only with the video. I want you to watch the video, follow the exercise in the video, and do the home assignment after the video. You want the results? Follow what I'm saying. See you in the next class. Bye-bye.